Do you have a bunch of twist ties sitting around your house and don't know what to do with them? Perhaps you are looking for new ideas to play with your child. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can use these to do just that. Keep watching to learn more. Hi, mamas. I'm Amy Baez, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy. And if you are familiar with this channel, you already know that. And I am here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can use these twist ties in order to help your child with their developmental skills. Now, I am constantly recommending to parents how to work with different types of materials in order to develop different skills, like visual motor skills and fine motor skills. And what we often are recommending are little things that children can move around, right? Some of those items may include pipe cleaners or maybe wooden sticks or maybe even spaghetti, right? There's all kinds of things that we recommend to parents in order to help them have their child create different shapes and letters and all kinds of things. So today I want to show you how you can use these twist ties in different ways so that you don't have to spend any more money that you don't need to. All right, so we're going to get started. I'm going to show you how you can use these twist ties in order to do many different things with your child. Today we're going to do 5 different activities with our twist ties. First thing you want to do is string those buttons. If your child is really little, they may not be ready for some of the more advanced ideas in this video with manipulating the twist ties. You can start out with just simply stringing buttons. And what's great about it is that sometimes you would think that a button that was really small hole would not be able to work, but it does. You can use all kinds of shapes, holes to string those buttons with the twist ties. You know, one of the things that we recommend to parents often is stringing beads. But if you don't have any beads, you may have some extra buttons around your house that you can use instead. It's the same type of activity and it's just as useful as stringing those beads. Next, you're going to want to make some letters. And this is one of the most common things you might get recommended to do with your child using different manipulatives like pipe cleaners and wooden sticks and things like that. What you're going to do is you're just going to fold them and move them around so that they are creating curved lines or straight lines. And then you can combine them and twist them on the ends so that you can make different letters. What I like to do is show a child a letter first and see if they can form it. If they can't, then you want to demonstrate for them. You just want to make sure that you don't demonstrate first. Gives you an idea of what they can do on their own. But if you see that they're struggling, don't worry about it. Just go right ahead and demonstrate for them so that they still feel like they're having fun in the activity. You may want to concentrate on maybe forming their name first. That's a great way to motivate them to feel like they are doing something that's really personable. The next thing we want to do is form objects. We can make all kinds of things with these twist ties. To make some spiral pasta, we're just going to take the twist tie and we're going to twirl it around our finger. That gives us a nice form. And then you're going to take the ends of it and just kind of stretch it out a bit. And that makes the pasta. That's a nice little cute way for you to make a bunch of them and then you can put them in a bowl and pretend like you're eating yummy pasta. To make a flower, you're going to do the same concept. You're going to roll that tie around your finger to create that spiral, and then you're going to fold it around and twist it together. Then you want to add a stem and add some leaves, and that will complete your flower. We are going to build structures, right? So we can take these twist ties and form different shapes. If you want to start out with making a cube, then you can add to top of the cube and make it into a little house. That's a cute little way for you to take this activity to the next level. The next activity you're going to do is make People, right? Who lives in that wonderful house? Well, people do. Now we are going to take those twist ties and form a person. First thing you want to do is form the head. So you're just going to take that twist tie and you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to pinch down the ends so that you're making a slight little curve and create a little bubble at the top. Once you do that, you are going to tie a second twist tie around that curve, tighten it up, and those are going to represent your legs. You can bend those legs to create knees and you can create feet. You also want to use a third twist tie and wrap it around that neck to create some arms. And again, you're going to make some elbows and some fingers and maybe pop out some thumbs. And there you have it. You have a little person. Pretty cool, right? There you have it, guys. You have 5 simple, easy twist tie activities that you can do with your child. I would love for you to share with me some of your creations. Send a picture to Playapy and maybe we'll post it on our social media. I would love to see what you're creating at home with your twist ties. Did you find this video helpful? I hope that you did. I love bringing new ideas to you. And it really helps me if you could let me know if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below so that I can continue to do so on a weekly basis, twice weekly, as I have been. So until the next video, I hope you have a playful day.